They already have joined 6th class, right? Number 7 class, Sabir Hossain will take after some while, right? So today's lecture is lecture 8, structure of research articles. I want to express about how to make a research article and how to make a oral and poster presentation and how to make a thesis. So, and research proposal. So I want to explain about how to make this research article and conference paper and thesis. So please, I will take a class, but your activities depends. What I deliver, it doesn't matter, but your activity or your activities depends on my capturing of my lecture. Okay, so now about my yourself. So about myself. Okay, so I am Dr. M. Rashidul Islam, a chairman and assistant professor. Chairman and Assistant Professor of Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Bangomata Sheikh Fazilatul Nisa Mujib Science and Technology University, Jamalpur. And I have completed my BHC and MHC in Tripoli from Kuwait, Khulna University of Engineering and Technology, Khulna. And I have finished my PhD from Institute of Semiconductor, Chinese Academy of Sciences, Beijing, China. And I have published approximately 100 plus international essay journals and international conferences. And my Google Scholar citation score is 1,500 plus. My achievement, I received Excellent Student International Student Award and Excellent International Graduate from the University of Chinese Academy of Sciences. And my research area is two-dimensional materials, perovskite materials, computational material science, and solar cell. Basically, I am working in material science and material semiconductor material. So if anyone interested about my field, so you can work with me. Okay. So the point to be discussed today, what is research article? Types of research article, general structure of a research article, structure of research proposal, different types of presentation. So first, what is research article? An article is a written work published in a print or electronic medium. It may be for the purpose of propagating news, research results, academic analysis, or debate. Scientific article or paper is an organized description of hypotheses, data, and conclusion intended to instruct the reader. A research article reports the results of original research, assesses its contribution to the body of knowledge in a given area, and is published in a peer-reviewed scholarly journal and or conference. So now, types of research article. Normally, research article is classified different from, but here I will discuss about the original article, case reports, technical notes, pictorial essay, review, commentary, editorial, letter to the editor. So I will discuss details about this. So now, original article. What is original article? It is the report of a study written by the researchers who actually did the study. The researchers describe their hypothesis or research question and the purpose of the study. The researchers detail their research methods. The results of the research are reported. Then case report. Case report, this description of one interesting and unusual case, this may be the only way to report on something very rare. In medicine, a case report is detailed report, this symptoms, signs, diagnosis, treatment, and follow-up of an individual patient. So because of individual patient, so it is just one case. So a special case report. So that's why it is called the case report. And then the technical note. Technical note is a short article giving a brief description of a specific development, technique, or procedure, or it may describe a modification of an existing technique, procedure, or device applicable to medicine. So it is just a technical note. Then a pictorial essay. Pictorial essay is a type of educational article that aims to provide both textual and visual portrayals of a topical issue. Like this. This is the pictorial essay. It is writing from and also a visual portrait. So that's why it is called a pictorial essay. And another form is commentary. Writing commentary means giving your opinion, interpretation, insight, analysis, explication, personal reaction, evaluation, or reflection about a concrete detail in an essay. Commentaries are most often found in expression of opinion on current issues and events. The purpose of commentaries is to offer new and insightful perspectives so that readers can understand their own stance on the issue or event. A commentary is one type of literary work that contains a detailed analysis of an article. Then review article. Review article is an article that summarizes the current state of an understanding on a topic. A review article surveys and summarizes previously published studies rather than reporting new facts or analysis. So review article is very important. Then the editorials. Editorials are short, invited opinion pieces that discuss an issue of immediate importance to the research community. Then a letter to the editor. A letter to the editor is a brief report that is within the journal's scope and of particular interest to the community, but not suitable as a standard research article. A maximum of 10 articles may be included in the references. Letters to the editor should be between 300 and 800 words. Letters to the editor are usually a type of short communication that can be a discussions on medical, scientific, or general topics that may attract attention